Hello, little helpers! Welcome back to Chore Champions, where we turn house chores into fun adventures. Today, we're going to learn all about different house chores you can do to help out at home. Are you ready to become a chore champion? Let's get started. Our first chore is making the bed. Making your bed every morning helps keep your room tidy and starts your day off right. Just straighten the sheets, fluff the pillows, and pull up the blankets. It's easy and makes your room look neat. Great job! Next, let's talk about tidying up your toys. After playing, it's important to put your toys back in their proper place. You can use bins, shelves, or boxes to keep everything organized. It makes finding your toys easier next time you want to play. Can you find the right spot for each toy? I bet you can. Now, let's learn about setting the table. Setting the table for meals is a great way to help your family. Start with placing the plates, then add forks, knives, and spoons. Don't forget the napkins and cups. It's like getting ready for a special meal every day. You've got it! The table looks fantastic! Next up is dusting. Dusting helps keep our home clean and shiny. Use a soft cloth or a duster to wipe away dust from surfaces like shelves, tables, and picture frames. Remember to dust gently to avoid knocking things over. Look at that sparkle! Dusting makes everything look so nice. Let's not forget about watering the plants. Plants need water to stay healthy and grow. Use a small watering can to give them a drink, but not too much. Check with an adult to see how much water each plant needs. The plants are happy and healthy, thanks to you. Now, let's help with the laundry. Sorting clothes by color and type makes washing easier. You can help by putting dirty clothes in the laundry basket and even sorting them into piles for washing. Laundry day is a team effort, and your help makes a big difference. Next, let's learn about sweeping. Sweeping helps keep our floors clean. Use a broom to gather dirt and dust into a dustpan. Be sure to get all the corners and under the furniture, too. Great job! The floor looks spotless. And now, let's do the dishes. After a meal, it's important to wash the dishes so they're ready for the next time we eat. Use warm, soapy water and a sponge to scrub the dishes clean. Rinse them off and place them in the drying rack. If you have a dishwasher, you can help load the dishes inside. Just make sure to ask an adult how to do it safely. Doing the dishes helps keep the kitchen clean and ready for the next meal. Here are some helpful tips for being a chore champion. Always ask an adult if you're not sure how to do a chore. Take your time and do your best. And remember, helping out at home makes everyone happy. House chores can be fun when we work together and turn them into games or challenges. Plus, it's a great way to show your family how much you care. That's all for our Chore Champions adventure today, little helpers. I hope you had fun learning about different house chores. Remember, every little bit helps, and you can make a big difference at home. Until next time, keep exploring, keep helping, and keep being awesome. See you in the next video. Bye-bye!